Hello everyone, and thank you all for tuning in to join us for this exciting event. This year we have been living through exceptional circumstances, which is why it's so great to see you all here today in this virtual format. We're here because for the very first time we'll be unveiling the new HP Large Format Printer series with an unprecedented digital launch. This is no ordinary plenary session. Over the next 20 minutes, we will take you on a journey to discover our new products and show you our plan for the future. And today's event is just the beginning. Over the coming days, more resources and deep dive content will be coming your way. So sit back, stay tuned, and enjoy the show.
Hi, I'm glad you could make it. In today's world, it's more important than ever to stay connected virtually from a place that feels comfortable. And in the virtual world, we don't need this. Or even this. This event is going to be different because the products we're going to see are unlike any you've seen before. They are different by design. So, are you ready to go? Inside this room is every model of PC ever created. And we're here because I want to tell you a story. 5 years ago, the PC market was facing a challenge. Many brands believed customers only cared about internal processors, RAM memory, and storage capacity. So they just focused on giving customers those things, slightly faster and cheaper than their competitors. Which meant that all PCs started to look kind of the same. The market was approaching a dead point. Price wars were fierce, and the needs of a huge number of customers were being ignored. What the market needed was innovation. Wanting to reignite the PC market, HP looked for customers' new needs and hidden desires that weren't yet being met. These insights drove HP to innovate a new category of premium business notebooks that gave customers things they needed, like security and collaborative tools, and things they wanted, like elegant design. And this new category transformed the market. Since their launch, HP's premium business notebooks have experienced double-digit growth year on year, and so has the whole notebook category. Can you see where I'm going with this? In large format printing, many of the key players in the market believe customers only care about speed and the cost of supplies. But not HP. Since the launch of the first HP DesignJet printer, HP has pushed the large format market forward by bringing customers more than just the fastest printers and affordable supplies. And they've done it through innovation based on customer insights. Hi, Alessia.
Hi.
So, this is what 30 years of insight-led innovation looks like.
Yes, everything that you see here has been created to meet a need or a desire that our customer had. Let me show you. We have created the first integrated multifunction large format printer to help teams to collaborate on construction projects. We have created the first large format printer with an integrated stacker to help our high volume customers to be more productive. And the world's most compact printer for customers who work at home or in small businesses.
So you innovate different solutions for different customers.
Exactly. At HP, we fall in love with problems, and not everyone's problems are the same. For example, last year was one of the biggest product intro in some time. We learned that our customers that work and print round the clock would benefit from a hyper-collaborative workflow. So we have been creating seamless experience with an unprecedented collaboration features. While other customers needed a printer to fit their budget and space. So we introduced the HP DesignJet T100 and the T500 that made project printing and mobile printing simple.
So, did bringing that value to customers boost the market like the premium PCs?
It did. We are seeing a strong growth in both solutions. HP Click users has been growing 83% year on year. Mobile printing with HP Smart App has been growing 138% year on year. And we have seen a double-digit growth with the T1600 and T2600 categories in just 12 months. And we couldn't have done it without our partners. By working together, we bring more value to everyone.
So, what customer insights have been guiding your innovation this year?
Well, we have a conversation with thousands of customers and look carefully at the mega trends shaping the world. And this is what we have learned.
The world is evolving, and so are our customers' needs. They want solutions that are contextual. More and more, our customers work where they live and live where they work. And need seamless solutions for every context. Protecting the planet is a growing concern, not just for our customers, but for all of us. Now more than ever, what we make must be customer-centric and sustainable. And finally, we know that our customers' workspaces are getting smaller, and many more of them are working from home. So, they want solutions that are workspace appropriate. But for some, a compact printer is not enough. These customers want a solution that suits their space and who they are.
Wow.
Exciting, isn't it?
Oh, hi, Sergi. Yeah, it really is.
By truly understanding our customers, we can innovate experiences that bring more value to them and to the market. Did you know that 67% of the customers would be ready to pay 16% more for a great experience?
So what you're saying is everyone benefits when you see things from the customer's perspective?
Exactly. And that gives me an idea. Here, put this on.
Okay. Sergi, are you there?
Yes, can you hear me?
I can. Where am I?
You're at the workspace of a typical architect.
Oh, wow. What is she doing?
I'm pretty sure she just sent multiple files to print in a single click. We found out that 76% of customers were asking other people to print for them because it was too complicated. And we realized we have to give these creators that spend hours designing and thinking big a way to print simple.
Wow. It looks like she prints in large and small format too. Is that normal?
Absolutely. The way customers work has changed. Now, they might print in A0 or A1 during the collaborative design process, but then they print an A3 copy for the client or contractor. That's why 41% of the customers want to be able to switch seamlessly between large and small formats.
They need printing to be easy in every context.
Exactly. It's all about context. For instance, 62% of the customers work in more than one place, making their smartphones an essential tool. So, any solution we create has to match this new workflow and empower them to work more freely.
This is a pretty environmentally friendly way to get around.
Yet, lots of customers are really concerned about sustainability. For example, 75% of millennials would change their purchasing habits to reduce their environmental footprint.
Oh, look, there's the other customer. So they sometimes work together in this small space?
This space is compact, it's true. Office space has actually reduced by 33% in the last 5 years. And of course, more people are working from home. That's why, more than ever, customers tell us that they need to feel good in their workspaces. And that's what a workspace appropriate means. It's about combining technology that fits their space with beautiful designs that reflects who they are.
Sergi, I think it's time we see these printers.
Okay, get ready in 3, 2, 1. Shall I give you a tour?
Let's go.
Let's start with the new HP DesignJet T200, T600 printer series. These are the world's smallest and most efficient large format printers. For example, they use 95% less ink in routine maintenance. HP Click and the new automatic A3 sheet feeder make printing at any size extremely simple. And with the HP Smart app, you can now print from anywhere. Printing is finally truly remote and accessible in every context.
Even on the go?
Even on the go. And all of this comes without trade-offs on quality or speed. You can now achieve up to 31% better line accuracy with HP Bright Office Ink and print an A1 or D-sized print in as quick as 25 seconds. And did I mention that this T-Series is now more sustainable? With 30% recycled plastic, we've reduced CO2 emissions in the production of these printers by 7.3 tons a year.
That's awesome.
Now, are you ready to see something really special?
Sure. Let's go.
This is the new HP DesignJet Studio.
Wow.
It's our first printer with a digital out-of-the-box experience. And every aspect of its design is customer-centric. That's because for some customers, design sits at the core of their creative process, the way they live and the purchasing decisions that they make.
It almost feels like a piece of furniture.
Exactly. That's what a workspace-appropriate printer should feel like. And it comes in two finishes to really suit the customer style. The Studio is also our most sustainable printer. Its life cycle is 100% carbon neutral.
Fantastic.
And as well as being different by design, it is built to perform. End-to-end production is twice as fast as the competition. You can print an A1 in as little as 25 seconds, and of course, enjoy the easiest and most integrated A3 workflow and the ability to print from anywhere. In one sentence, the HP DesignJet Studio printer series is where design meets performance in the world's easiest large format printers.
That's amazing, Sergi. Thank you so much for your time. And speaking of time, I have to get back to close the show. So, there you have it. The HP DesignJet T200 and T600 printer series and the HP DesignJet Studio printer series. A new portfolio of printers that is different by design. For a new generation of creative professionals that move fluidly between life and work, who want solutions that fit their workspaces and their values, and help them collaborate wherever and whenever they want to, so they can think big and print simple. And this is just the beginning. To tell you what's still to come, I'm going to introduce you to the General Manager of HP Large Format Printing, Guayente San Martin. Take it away, Guayente.
Thank you, and hello to everyone watching. This year, we face an unprecedented global crisis, one that caused profound changes in our lives, and especially in the way we work. At HP, we believe in the power of people to innovate and create ideas that make the world a better place. And it is our mission to understand, design the future of work, capturing what it really is important for people, and creating the future we believe in. This future is going to be shaped by three main drivers. The first one is what we call digital automation. Now, more than ever, our customers recognize the need to go digital. So it's critical that our products integrate effortless into these hyper-digitalized workflows. The second driver is what we call hyper-connected, not distracted. We also know that when it comes to creative work, paper is still paramount. Because paper allows us to work in the most human way. We are designing a future in which we will be hyper-connected, not distracted. And to do that, we are blending the physical and the digital to create an effortless transition between paper and digital platforms. And the third driver that we are focusing on is sustainability. We are committing to making this future planet-centric and sustainable. For us, that means designing and producing durable products that last and minimize the waste. Because we believe the best way to be sustainable is to provide long-lasting, reliable value. Of course, these are not the only challenges facing us as a business and as a society. This is why we will never stop investigating, understanding, and innovating the future we believe in. 2020 is the year we face an unprecedented global crisis. But let's also make it the year we reimagine our future together.